Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Tuesday, December 18th. Stocks finished on session highs Monday, up over 1% in the broad market. E-mini S&P up 16.5 points to close at 1431.5. The E-mini S&P had made new relative highs last Wednesday at 1438 with weekly lows at 1410 to watch as support. Dow futures added 90 points to 13,240 yesterday as blue chips lagged behind other indexes. Resistance at last week's highs at 13,300 and then 13,600 above. Support now sits at 13,200 with the end of September, beginning of November peak. Tech shares, led again by Apple action, gained nearly 1.5% Monday, up 37 points to 2665 in E-mini NASDAQ. The stall last week just below 2,700 resistance wall on Wednesday marks the third attempt to rally. Crude oil pushed 65 cents yesterday to 87.90, now pushing the upper end of the trading channel. The nearly 2-month-long trading range in oil is stuck between $85 and $90 per barrel. The euro currency and dollar both traded in tight ranges to finish unchanged yesterday as bonds dropped another full point to 147, and we're seeing yields right now at 295, approaching that psychological 3%. Gold added $2 to $16.98 after a higher low here at $16.87. Silver fought to close unchanged at $32.30. With stocks now within striking distance of highs again, where do things stand this Tuesday morning to begin a new day? The euro currency is up right now. It's up 20 ticks, just under 132. The dollar's testing the 79.50 support overnight. The 30-year Treasury bonds are 7 ticks lower, right now sitting at 147 as yields continue to move higher. Crude oil is up 50 cents right now at 88.20 as it looks poised to test the upper bounds of the range. Weekly resistance at 90 targets 95 and the yearly pivot on an upside breakout. Gold sits right under the 1700 pivot, up $1.50 with silver adding 20 cents at 32.47, looking high above at the $33 pivot. So as we get started on this Tuesday morning, stock futures are pushing new relative highs right now with the broad market S&P at getting up to 1439 last night. Dow futures are 40 points higher right now, and NASDAQ futures are another 14 points higher with more than an hour to go before the stock market open. So to summarize where everything stands right now, we're getting some positive follow through here on yesterday's action. Right now we've got the euro currency a little higher and the dollar lower with bonds 7 ticks lower as well. Crude oil is up 50 cents, and gold is right now stuck at the $16.99 per ounce level. Stock futures with the E-mini S&P are higher, up 5 points at 1437.5, and right near the new multi-week highs. The Dow futures at the CME Group are 40 points higher and right under the 13,300 level. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I will see you early Wednesday morning for the Stir in the Market to set up your day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.